If you want the tag for, say, a duct or a pipe to look different when it's tagging something existing versus new, this video will help understanding the options. So the first thing we're going to do is copy a duct and a takeoff over so that we have one new condition. So a new duct connected to an existing duct system. We'll cap that duct just as good practice until we're ready to add an air terminal or something to it later. We'll add 4 tags, so 3 of these are existing elements being tagged, and then the new one we just made, of course, is new construction. The first option, option A, would be to change the text color in the tag. So to do this, we're going to make a separate copy of the tag, a tag that's just used for existing conditions. Then we'll literally change the color of the text in the family editor. We'll load this tag back into the project, and now that tag, that new tag that we just loaded, has to specifically be selected by the designer for this to work. So we use the existing tag whenever we're tagging existing ductwork. Option B would be to add either a prefix or a suffix. In this case, we're also going to make a new family, so a new duct tag size family. We'll select the label and click the Edit Label command, and in this Edit Label dialog box there's a place to actually enter a prefix. You can see also a suffix if you want. So EX- is going to be the designator for any existing ductwork. If we need to list the size of any existing ductwork, EX- is going to make it clear to the contractor that this is an existing duct. It's still the same dark solid black color, but that's what differentiates that particular option. Option D is to apply a halftone. So if you select a tag in the model, you don't have to go into the family editor. You just right click and override graphics and view and check that halftone option. So now we have 3 different ways here of showing existing tags. And now we'll look at some of the challenges related to this. So our first print is going to be using the grayscale setting. So we'll create a PDF and see what those 3 existing tags look like when we print using grayscale. So anything color gets printed grayscale, and because a lot of the ductwork is colored for supply and return, all the ductwork is also going to print color, which isn't necessarily desirable. So a lot of times we'll print, the preference is to print black and white instead of grayscale. So we'll go ahead and make another print with it set to black and white. And now you can see the colored text prints black and white, but the halftone text still prints grayscale. Even though it's set to black and white, in MEP disciplines, the architectural and structural backgrounds still need to print grayscale. So Revit knows to still print those gray. So you have several options there. You can choose which is best for you.